next game we're gonna play called Stunt Car Arena. It's a pretty fun game. Me and my cousins have it. So that's me. I don't need to change it. I used to love Lego as a child. So oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I forgot this game needs 2 hands to play. So we might have to skip this game. It's just a preview of it. We're skipping this game. Friends. Terraria needs 2 hands. Geometry Dash does it. Geometry Dash is... Let's listen to the music. Here are some more things watching. What you making, G-Daddy? Okay. That's one. This game is just focused on its songs and levels. Okay. Hey, Bella! Hey, Bella! Say hi, Isabella! Say hi, Isabella! It's like walking my grandma in there. She's like, I don't like you. Yeah, so that was one.
Ocean, causing a commotion, cause they are so narwhals swimming.
Yep. Turn up. Oh, this now just like super fun, and then the last one just like turn up, yeah. I love things like that. Fly.
My little pony! My little pony! Ah!
Something better. That's just preview. So.